uh, we are here to learn English. First of all, we should know why English is required. We know in earlier time people only use Hindi language. Mostly people are using Hindi language. Before 20 years when I joined Indian Army, that time I am not aware about English language. Competitive exam where you will apply, all want to a person who can speak good English. So that's why parents are finding good school for their children where all syllabus must be come in English, because if you will compare to yourself with a CBSE pattern student and ISC pattern student, you will feel irritation. And who is your competitor? Your competitor is whom? Those who are getting education from ISC and CBSE pattern, right? So that's why for competitive those type student you must learn English. People are telling there is no much good atmosphere to learn English, but it's an excuse according to me, because earlier I also got education from Hindi medium. People are telling I am not able to speak English because in my house there is no person who can speak English with me. It's an excuse. Totally it's an excuse. You are going to school to learn something, to getting your degree. Why? Because when you will get a good degree, you can get a good job, right? Same in English. First of all, it should be related to your aim. Suppose there are so much profession like doctor, engineer, in anywhere officer, there will conduct an interview which will conduct in English. If your aim is related to that interview, you will definitely learn English. Otherwise, if you have option, you can use Hindi too. So in this process, you will not learn. So first of all, being a student, you should clear your aim. Your aim is related to English or not. And all where, in any place when you will go, English is required. Because in our society, if you are able to speak good English, people know he is good educated. Earlier, before 2 or 3 years, it has happened in our society. But now, if you are able to speak good English, you are a level where people are staying. समझ रहे हो ना क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? पहले चलता था in earlier, अगर बोलता था तो लगता था he is good educated. But now, if you are able to speak, so you are in a same platform. And if you are not able to speak good English, you are level than your platform. Okay, so that's why you must learn English. You are getting education from Hindi medium. All of you are getting education from Hindi medium. So if you want to compete with CBSE and ISC pattern student, you must learn English. And also people are telling, mostly people will suggest you are Indian, our mother tongue is Hindi, so we must speak Hindi. But they are misguiding you because they are not able to speak. So that's why, we have a comfort zone. Being a student, being an employee, every person has a comfort zone. Nobody want to come out from their comfort zone. Suppose I am able to speak good Hindi. For learning English, I must do hard work. It is tough for me because being a serving person, I don't have more time to spare for English language. So I will not come from my comfort zone से बाहर नहीं आना चाहूँगा मैं. Same who is misguiding you, they tell you कि हिंदी यार अपनी मदर लैंग्वेज है, हमें इंग्लिश की ज़रूरत क्या है, that type excuse they will make. But it's your responsibility who is suggesting you good and who is misguiding you, and do your work according to your aim. Why you are learning English? Anyone can tell me? Anyone? Why you are learning English?
जॉब में ग्रोथ के लिए.
Sorry?
अपनी नौकरी में और अच्छी ग्रोथ पाने.
Correct. if you are suppose you are an employee, कर्मचारी, like when you will talk with your officer who has cracked UPSC, he will give you respect. If you are able to talk with English, definitely he will give you respect. So for getting good respect, और रिस्पेक्ट के लिए ही आदमी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हार्डवर्क करता है. तो इफ आफ्टर लर्निंग इंग्लिश you will get good job as well as good respect, so it's my opinion you must learn English language, and it is very easy language, whatever I know, because sir teaching you grammar, I don't know more grammar, but I know where I will use that whatever he is teaching you. In English there is no need to much grammar. Practice and only practice, it is enough to improve your spoken English. Anything else you want to ask about English?
Yes.
And also I am very happy to tell you, Indian teacher are going to foreign country to teach foreigner about English language. In China many teacher are appointed there to teach them English. ये हमारे लिए बड़े गर्व की बात है. बट इन इंडिया मोस्टली पीपल हु आर हायरिंग बिग पोजीशन लाइक डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, they are not able to speak good English. Reason is that there is no much atmosphere, and who is responsible to create good atmosphere? We are responsible. I saw in many house children are taking education from CBSE pattern in a good school, but they are not able to speak good English. What is the reason behind it? Reason is that because after coming from school they are using their local language. Who is responsible for it? Parents are responsible, and when they will go outside anywhere they will talk, यार मेरा लड़का तो इंग्लिश बोल नहीं पा रहा है. But whole soul parents are responsible for it. Okay. Yeah. And anything else you want to ask about English? Whatever I know I have told. If you want to ask anything about English or any topic, you can ask.
कम्युनिकेशन स्किल और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में इससे बढ़ जाती है.
Of course. Actual we are from UP. So we have a good communication skill in Hindi. I am appointed there as a teacher. Teacher means in defense you can say instructor, who will instruct the student, new recruits. So it's my privilege कि I am from UP, and our Hindi is very good, very fantastic, because from beginning हम लोगों ने हिंदी ही सीखा है. और अगर आपकी यकीन मानिए हिंदी अच्छी है तो चीज़ों को आप ऑर्गेनाइज करके और इंग्लिश भी अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं. देयर विल बी सम प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्रॉब्लम, इट डजेंट मैटर. व्हेन वी विल चेंज स्टेट, लाइक राइट नाउ वी आर इन यूपी, व्हेन वी विल गो पंजाब, प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑटोमेटिकली विल चेंज. साउथ साइड what they are telling in English you are not able to understand. You can understand US language, US English, but not able to understand South English. So it doesn't matter. First of all, you should start. You are telling right, wrong, it doesn't matter. In childhood, we are using Hindi language in wrong way. No one is suggesting us कि बेटा ऐसे नहीं ऐसा. We are hearing and auto correct ourselves. अपने आप ही चेंज किया ना हमने वी वेंट टू लर्न हिंदी लैंग्वेज एनीवेयर, कहीं नहीं गए ना हम बचपन से, बट वी आर एबल टू स्पीक गुड हिंदी. सेम विल हैपन विथ इंग्लिश आल्सो इफ यू विल पे अटेंशन, टेक रेगुलर क्लासेस, एंड वी हैव गुड स्कोप. अर्लियर देयर इज नो सो मच स्कोप फॉर लर्निंग इंग्लिश, बट नाउ you know Sun Institute are providing very good facility for student. I was in Pune, Sandeep sir that time were providing me English classes online. My wife also learning from him. So it's a very good. We must use technology. Whatever he is teaching you, you go on your house and then open your YouTube. All things you can mention. But directly when you will open YouTube, you will not find out anything. And one more thing I would like to tell you, choose only one way, because human being have a bad habit. वो क्या करता है, फर्स्ट डे you will start you will follow only one YouTube channel, then you will follow another YouTube channel. तो क्या होता है, if you want to go Lucknow, first of all you will go Payagipur, then Prayagraj, then come back Sultanpur, then you will go Lucknow. It's very tough. So take a straight way and go Lucknow. In English, people are roaming here and there, and after 3 months, 4 months, they are telling I'm not able to speak good English. Reason is that you have not fixed anywhere. ये लाइफ बॉय और लक्स के साबुन की तरह कि आज ये लगा लिया कल वो लगा लिया, हम चूज करते समय भी वी आर सेम फॉलोइंग इन इंग्लिश. आज हम इस टीचर से पढ़ लेंगे, कल उससे पढ़ लेंगे, परसों उसका यूट्यूब पे देख लिया, नर्सों उसका. तुमने एक चूज किया, ही इज टीचिंग यू इन राइट वे, सडनली तुमने चेंज कर लिया. वो कुछ और बता रहा था, इसने कुछ और बताना शुरू किया. तो इट विल टेक्स मोर टाइम. Okay, thank you so much for listening me.
Welcome.